What is dry ice and what is freezing mixture? Dry ice is a solid carbon dioxide where it is used. This solid carbon dioxide is used in that instruments or machines where we keep ice creams. Now, why it is preferred over normal ice? The reason is dry ice or solid carbon dioxide is a sublimate. So what happens from the solid directly turns into vapor and not into the liquid state. Now what happens as the ice cream vendors, they open the lid to take out the ice creams. Because of high temperature, this solid carbon dioxide starts turning into vapor and evaporate. But it does not turn into liquid, does not destroying the ice creams that is kept inside. Now, number two, what is freezing mixture? Freezing mixture is a mixture of salt and ice or salt and snow. Now, why it is prepared? Basically, the salt starts, dissolving into the water, in the ice or the snow, and thus it destroys the bond between the water molecules and thus lowering the melting point of ice. Now, lowering the melting point of ice means the ice will need more heat to melt, and so anything which is kept in the freezing mixture will remain cool for a longer period of time.